Arinpe, the child who has journeyed well. The word rin means to walk, literally. It can also be used to mean to embark on a journey. That is why the Yoruba word for journey is ìrìn-àjò. You can see the word rin there. It literally means to walk, to move from one place to the other. And then pe means complete. So by extension, especially in this case, it means something that pays you, something that favors you, something that brings to you complete profit. Tí nǹkan bá pé mi, it means that that thing favors me. Maybe the price at which I want to sell something. If I say that that thing pay me, it means that it favors me. It brings to me complete profit. So what is the meaning of Arinpe? Simple. This child's journey has favored us. The journeying of this child to us brought us complete profit. Ìrìn-àjò ọmọ yìí ó pé wa. Arinpe. Having a child is a result of a long journey. Pregnancy is a long and risky journey. But this child embarked on that journey and has come to us in the end complete. This child's journey has not ended in a waste. Your journey is complete and whole and has brought to us fulfillment. Arinpe, Wàá Ṣere.